We are currently a councilor, city councilor ng 2nd District ng Marikina.
Why run for representative, sir?
Actually, this is my 6th term already sa councilor. And of course, yung passion natin sa Marikina to provide more quality governance and continuance of what Mayor Marcy Chodoro. Medyo mabigat yun para gawin, no? Kaya yung aming pagsuporta po sa LGU Marikina, I myself being a candidate for congressman siguro ay mas lalawak yung magiging tutulong at maging participation ko dito.
Sir, makalaban niyo si former Congressman Miro Fingo?
I heard nag-file po.
Kaka-file lang po niya.
He was here.
Ano po masasabi niyo dun, sir?
Siguro ang alam naman ng mga taga Marikina kung ano po yung what's best for the city. Kasi talagang ang Marikina ay maliit lang na lungsod, no? So, intelligent voters as well sa aming lungsod. So we hope that this coming election will benefit po yung aming lungsod by choosing the right congressman for the 2nd District and for the 1st District.